Hello, and welcome to today's video. If you're looking to add more balance, productivity, and positivity to your life, this video is for you. Today, I'll share 10 simple habits that can transform your daily routine and set you on the path to success. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video if you're ready to take charge of your day, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on personal growth and lifestyle hacks. Stick around until the end, because I have a bonus habit that might surprise you. Let's jump right into it. Take a moment each morning to list 3 things you're grateful for. This practice sets a positive tone for the day and helps you focus on the good things in life. What's one thing you're grateful for today? Share it in the comments below. Before your coffee or breakfast, drink a glass of water. Staying hydrated is crucial for energy, focus, and overall health. Let's do a hydration check. How many glasses of water have you had today? Comment your number below. Start your day by writing down 3 achievable tasks. Focus on smaller, actionable steps to make progress on bigger goals. What's your top goal for today? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear. Incorporate at least 10 to 15 minutes of movement into your day, whether it's stretching, walking, or a quick workout. Exercise boosts your mood and energy levels. What's your favorite way to stay active? Let us know below. A tidy environment helps clear your mind and improves focus. Spend a few minutes each day decluttering your space. If you agree that a clean space equals a clear mind, comment tidy desk, tidy mind. Take short breaks to practice deep breathing. This can reduce stress and improve focus. Ever tried mindfulness exercises? Share your experience below. Cut down on screen time at least an hour before sleeping to improve your rest. Use that time to read, journal, or relax. What's your favorite bedtime ritual? Let us know in the comments. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day helps regulate your body clock, improving energy and focus. How many hours of sleep did you get last night? Comment below. Take a moment to acknowledge your achievements, no matter how small. This habit builds confidence and keeps you motivated. What's one thing you accomplished today? Let us know in the comments. Your win might inspire someone else. End your day by reflecting on what went well and setting intentions for tomorrow. This keeps you mindful and prepared. Do you reflect on your day before bed? Share your method with us below. Don't forget to schedule moments just for you. Whether it's reading, meditating, or enjoying a hobby, self-care is essential for your well-being. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit from these tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay inspired.